Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I want to talk to you about pivot table. What is pivot table in Excel? Why we should use that? A pivot table is a table of statistics that summarize the data in very simple and easy way, and also very fast. Suppose you want to summarize something important or something specific from a huge table of data, we can use pivot table. Today I want to show you something like, suppose here this is a table, this is our table, yeah. In pivot table I want to show you this all. Okay, come here, how we can use that: insert and then pivot table. Select your table of data, and here it will show that you want this in existing worksheet or new worksheet, yeah, as your wish. I want it in existing, so okay, here, yeah, this is your pivot table. So what we want to do: people name. Suppose it's a very big table, yeah. Through this table I want to find the name of the people working in different departments. Here you just select this. This is all the name of the people working here. And second, total sale in 2019, yeah, total sale in 2019. Select here, this is 29,260 total. Then total sale in 2020, come here and select this. Total sale in 2020 is 30,104. okay, this is the use of pivot table. Suppose your boss or someone else will come to you and give you, like, will ask you, just give me information about departments. How many departments are there in here, yeah, in this table? So you just simply can drag and drop here like this, yeah. This is all departments you have in your table. Or you can just click here: electronics, furniture, garment. These are departments. And come here, all departments is finished. Changes in table and refresh for pivot table. I want to bring some changes here in my pivot table. Suppose I want to add cell 2019 and 2020. Okay, Sam, we select here and then enter. Just come here, and this is our changes here, yeah. Now how we can add this in our pivot table? Yeah, see, in pivot table we don't have this. How we can add this in pivot table? So select in pivot table here and come to option and change data source here. Okay, now select the table with edit. Okay, now you got this, yeah. So total sale in 2019 and 2020 came here. You can find out this way, value, yes, or you can just simply select sum of 2019 and 2020. This is the way we can add something new in our table and bring it here in our pivot table. Thank you guys.